Asante sana. Asante sana. Wetu wa heshima siku leo, the one and only lion wa eneo hili, Paul Simba Arati, geni ambayo anamfuata, ambaye anawakilisha gavana jirani, chairman wa Migori wa ODM nationally, Deputy Governor Oyugi Magwanga, Mheshimiwa Speaker, waheshimiwa wale tuko nayo pamoja hapa jimbo letu la Migori, bunge letu la jimbo Migori County Assembly, mwakilishi wa ofisi ya Junet ako pale, manager, na wajumbe wa ODM wenzangu, hamjambo? ODM. ODM. Leo ni leo na ni leo na si kesho. Basi wacha nimpatie nafasi Deputy Governor wa Homa Bay, Mheshimiwa Oyugi Magwanga, ambaye wako na ukoo na watu wa Migori. Yeye ni msweta wa hapa na msweta wa kule. Kwa hivyo Mheshimiwa DG, karibu. Lakini umesikia wakisema ati wanataka unga, eh? Mmesema mnataka unga?
Your Excellencies, entire party leadership, we have also the leadership. This meeting, ODM. Your Excellency, Deputy Party Leader, Honorable Simba Arati, I take this opportunity to congratulate you as the Deputy Party Leader of the oldest party and the strongest party in Kenya. The time I've been in ODM, the ODM is almost 20 years. And our loyalty as Chama is towards Raila Amolo Odinga. Whether he is in Kenya, whether he is out of Kenya, he is still our party, and this is his deputy. How many are welcoming him? Deputy party. Today I'm representing Her Excellency Gladys Atieno Nyasona Wanga, the Governor, Homa Bay County, who is also the National Chair ODM. So I'll not have much to say because the Deputy Party Leader is here. He is my leader. He was a colleague in Bunge, and I also have my clanmates here. So I welcome him here. I also welcome him in Homa Bay. And we are proud of Chama Cha ODM. Kindly, let us be loyal to ODM. Let us support ODM. Let us work for ODM. ODM is what has made Kenya to be what it is. Otherwise, if we didn't have the ODM, today this country would be like in the olden days, under who? The dark ages that we don't want to see. So let us support our Chama, that is the none other than ODM. And I want to ask the party leadership in Migori that let us support His Excellency George Ochilo Mbogo Ayako. Let us give him full support. My friends, I want to tell you, what these excellencies are going through is hell. You elected us in positions to serve you, isn't it? So kindly support Honorable Ochilo Ayako plus his cabinet and his MCAs to give you a service. What is important, what is key is the service, isn't it? So thank you so much. For now, I'll not take a lot of time today because this is not my day. So, His Excellency, back to you.
Amesema ama hajasema? Ni ODM ama si ODM? Thank you very much.